Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to take a quick look at this Amazon Echo Plus in Sandstone White. In front of the box we got this Echo Plus branding and some Alexa commands. On the left hand side of the box we have an example skills such as Spotify, Audible and many more. It also shows what included inside the box, such as the Amazon Echo itself and a 30-watt power adapter. On the back side of the box, it has some key feature of the Echo Plus itself. And on the last side of the box, we have another key features like Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line in or out, Dolby and Zigbee, as it is a Zigbee based device. That's all from outside the box. Let's crack it open. Once opening the box, we are greeted with this black pull tab. Underneath, we have the Echo Plus itself. Let's take this out. Nothing else is inside the box. So this is the Echo Plus itself. Let's put this aside for now. Inside this small compartment below, we got the 30-watt power adapter in white. Deeper inside, we have the Echo Plus paperwork, which is not important. So now let's take a closer look at the Amazon Echo Plus itself. It is wrapped nicely in this protective plastic. The material used are pretty good. It feels really expensive. On top of the unit itself, we have the volume up and down button, a microphone mute button and a listen button. It also have this 8 far-field microphone that could capture all the audio from any side of the room. And at the back of the Echo Plus, we have this DC in and a 3.5mm jack, which can be used as an in and out port. And at the bottom of the device, we have a tripod kind of mount and this 6-pin connector, which can be used to attach battery packs so that your Echo Plus could be portable and away from mains power. Well, that's basically it for this video. I'll do a full review once I've tested this device over time. If you guys are interested in buying one, I'll leave a link down below. And if you want to see more video like this, consider subscribing. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and as always, stay awesome.